Wolfman here again with another short tutorial. This is how to fix your Puffin update, how to fix it. First thing you want to do is open up your Puffin TV, and I have a video on that to show you how to install that if you don't already have it. Okay, and then you want to come over, move down, click on your Puffin. And here, if you have it installed, right here, you want to click and uninstall it. That's uninstall it. And then after you do that, you back out one, back out twice, hit the home button on your remote. And then I'm going to show you how to fix it. For this step, you'll need your cell phone. And you'll need to open up your Google Play Store, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, after you get your cell phone and you open up your cell phone, you want to type in app at the top, and you need an app that's called, my camera, you need an app called Apps to Fire, right here. You want to click on that. That's what the icon looks like. Sorry, my camera's a little, it's not focusing. But anyway, you want to click install with here, which I already did, so I'm going to skip this step. And then you want to back out of that. Then you want to open up, after you get done installing Apps to Fire, you want to open up your Apps to Fire app, which I've already done that. But when you first open it, right here where you see local and the Fire TV apps in the favorites, well, if you put your finger on it and just hold it and then move it to the left, now it will say setup here on the right here. You want to click on setup. And when you click on setup, this will show up. And then you want to click on search Fire TVs. You want to click on that, and which I'm not going to do that, but because I already have it. But anyway, down here underneath, after you click on the search Fire TVs, your name will come up here. It'll be like, say, Brad's Fire Stick. You click on that, and a little screen should pop up and say connected. You just push OK. And then the next step after that is you want to go back up to the top, and you want to put your finger on the favorites, and then move it back to the right, and then click on your local apps. And then this screen here will show up. And then the next step you want to do is scroll down till you see Chrome, and you see I have Chrome. And then you click on the Chrome and see it'll say install. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I fix my camera. It'll say apps info, and then on the right it'll say install. Well, if you click the install, okay, after you click install, it should take a few minutes to install. And after you install the app, the Chrome app, you want to go back to your Fire TV, Fire Stick, down here in the right corner. You should see it pop up, and then to find the app, all new apps will be on the bottom. And then you want to scroll down to find it, because all apps will be, new apps will be on the bottom. You want to click the three lines on your remote. You want to click move, and then you can move it anywhere you want. I'm going to move it back up to the top. Then I'm going to hit my home screen. Then you want to open up your Chrome. Now you should see this. All you have to do is scroll down and click accept. This is your new app, Puffin app. Yes, it's Google, but it will be your new Puffin app. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and click this search. You have to use your mouse. Click on it. Turn off your mouse by pushing the play button once and to the right. Then you want to type in your Fox 8. That's Fox space 8. Should be just like that. If anything else pops up beside the 8 like news, just come down, hit space, and it'll disappear. And then you just click next. And then get your mouse again. And you don't want to click the Fox 8. You want to move it down to live streaming. Click on the live streaming because that is what you want because you're streaming. Turn off your mouse. Click the 3 bars on your remote. You click the star. Now it is added to your favorites. And the way for the icon to show up on the Chrome page, you have to watch a few seconds of the video. So I'm going to do that now. Now after you watch a few seconds of Fox 8, you click it back one till you see this screen, and you see the icon is not there. And the way to get it there is you have to go back out to your home screen and then click open Chrome again. I'm sorry, I did that wrong. You're supposed to hit the 3 bars on your remote first. Open up the bookmarks. There it is. Get your mouse. Click on the live streaming, the Fox 8. Then you watch a few seconds of the video, which I'm going to do now. And after you play the video from the bookmarks, then you back out. You only have to watch the Fox 8 for a few seconds, then back out, and then you'll see this screen, but the icon won't be here. You have to go back one more, reopen up Chrome, and it should be right there. I'll show you again with the US TV. Go. Okay, what you do is open up the web again, right, or push play, hit the right to get rid of the mouse. Type in US TV Go. And then after you get that typed in, hit next. You gotta get your mouse again. Oops. And you want to go click on this. This screen will pop right up after you click on it. Get rid of your mouse again. Click the 3 bars on your remote. You want to click the star. You want to back out once. Back out twice, I guess. 3 times. And then you'll be back here. Okay, then you want to open it up. I went too far. And okay, and as you see, the icon still is not there. So you have to hit the 3 bars on your remote. Go down to bookmarks. And there it is. Get your mouse. Click on it. Okay, I'm going to come down here. And again, you have to watch a few seconds of the video for this to work. So I'm going to do this now. Okay, I've played a few seconds of the video of ABC on US TV Go. And as you see, the icon's not there. You have to go back one more. Reopen up your Chrome. And now you see it did appear. That's how you have to do it. Fox 8 icon, sooner or later you'll see it change to the Fox 8 logo. So that will change eventually, I hope. It did the last time. So I'm going to add in one more. I'm going to type in this, hit next. I'm going to click on this, but I can't open it because of what kind of content it is, because of copyrights. So I'm going to do that now. And there, I follow the steps as the same as Fox 8 and the US TV Go. I added that, which I can't show you that. So I hope this helps get you back on track with the Puffin. This is the new update. If anything changes, I'll let you know. I don't know why Puffin did that with the sign in to Google thing. Maybe it's a glitch because of the update or something, or maybe because Google did cause something or did something to stop people from using it. I don't know. But if things change, I'll let you know. I'll post another video. You can always go in and re-download the Puffin. Try it. If it does the same thing, just uninstall it because you'll never use it. So I hope this helps. Thanks.